So let's add one of these transitions to our project. We'll simply just bring our media into our timeline, and then we'll make a fusion clip of 2 seconds in length. The easiest way to do this is to set your playhead at the cut, holding shift and then hitting your arrow key twice to advance the playhead by 2 seconds, cutting each end, right-clicking on the clips and turning them into a fusion clip. Then jumping over into Fusion, we will go up to our effects library and then down to templates and transitions. In here, we will then be able to select through all of the transitions we have installed, and we will simply just connect the yellow to yellow and green to green, and then the output of the transition we will connect to the media output. Once that's done, we can go to our inspector and change the colors of each element of this transition. This transition pack will work with any frame rate. As you can see here, we're gonna go to 60 frames per second. We'll click OK, and we will bring in some footage. This footage is actually 120 frames per second, and we'll add this to our 60 frames per second timeline with no problem. Again, we are doing the same exact thing, holding shift and then advancing our playhead by 2 seconds by using the arrow keys. One note that I did want to show here is when you do install these templates, you can also use the search tool to find the templates so you don't have to go through the effects library. We'll connect up everything the same exact way. Copying the same transition from one fusion clip to another is actually done very easily. Simply go to the clip that has the transition that you want to copy that node, and then go to the clip you want to apply that copy transition and paste it and connect the nodes up, and it's as simple as that. All the color values will copy over.